Now you can change your own ATV or side-by-side tires without a floor-mounted machine. You only need 3 things to do this easily and quickly: tire levers, tire mount lubricant, and the XB-455 Bead Breaker by BeadBuster. Tire levers have curved tips and rounded ends that are specifically designed to work on tires without tearing them. This tire mount lube works better than soapy water. Mix this paste with 4 parts of water so you can use it in a spray bottle. The XB-455 Bead Breaker is a powerful and portable tool that works on all ATV and side-by-side tires, plus all other tires in this size class. The 455 can break the bead on all of these tires, which is needed to separate the tire from the rim. Before you attempt to break the bead on any tire, release all the air pressure by removing the valve stem core. When you're ready to break the bead on your tire, apply a little tire mount lubricant on the sidewall right next to the rim. Press the feet of the 455 into the space between the tire and the rim, then tighten the clamp bolt until the tool is perpendicular. Then drive the ram bolt. If the bead hasn't broken all the way around, move the tool over about 3 or 4 inches and reapply it. The bead is broken on this side of the rim. Now I'll repeat the process on the other side of the tire. On this side of the rim, the drop center is a long way in from the edge. Given that, it's best to push the tire bead in a small distance at several locations instead of trying to do it all at once. This technique is even more important when breaking the bead on an old stubborn tire which has not been changed in many years. Now the bead is broken on this side. Next is the tire levers. The XB-455 by BeadBuster makes it easy to change ATV or side-by-side tires easily and quickly.